Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing a mantra of abundance. So that can be abundance in anything. Peace, love, maybe something material. But those are the qualities attributed to this mantra. And the mantra is Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. And it's chanted in this way. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. So just a few little points. In Sanskrit, a sh and a s are very closely linked and often substituted. So often you hear s for sh and sh for s. So don't get hung up on that. Yeah, the swaha at the end is SW, but the W sometimes is a V, swaha, or somewhere in between a W and a V, swaha. So just little points. And obviously with all the mantra work, if you can find a nasalization here, that ang sound, then you create a stronger vibration in the skull, which creates a stronger vibration throughout the body, which means probably that it's more potent. So, I'm going to start the session with the symbols, and then we will chant Om Shri Mahalakshmiye 9 times together, and then after we sit in the silence for a little while, I will sound the symbols again to end the session. So if you begin by making sure that you're sitting comfortably, try and make sure that you're here now for the session, that you can leave behind your worries and concerns or your plans for the rest of the week or whatever it is that's on your mind. You don't need it with you all the time, you know. So if you can just leave all of that behind and be present, be here with me now, that will create one of those lovely gaps in your thoughts. And the more you can do that, the more you will find you experience a peace of mind rather than being stuck in your head. So, just sort my 9 beads out. There we are. Okay. Om Shri Mahalakshmiye Swaha. 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 the mantra to Lakshmi, the goddess Lakshmi, goddess of abundance. I hope you enjoyed today's session. Please like and share and comment. As always, I really appreciate that. It's just nice to know that I'm not sitting all on my own in my room chanting to no one. And I hope you will join me again. I'll be back very soon with some more mantra. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.